One commonly used function in EdInsight is creating groups. Groups can be used for multiple reasons. Some might include grouping students together who you're providing an intervention with at the same time, so a small group. Groups can also be created maybe as watch lists for students that you want to keep an eye on throughout the school year. There are two main ways to create groups within EdInsight. I'll go over both of them now. The first way to create a group is to head to your toolbar, select Home, and then Create and Maintain Groups. Here, if I'm creating a group, I'll select Create a New Group. I'll name the group, and then I'll hit Save. And then I have the ability to search for my students. For this example, I'm going to choose a school, and then after choosing a school, I'm going to choose a grade level. At this point, I'll click Search, and all the students in 3rd grade from Agner-Hurd Elementary will show up in my search results. From this point, I can add all students to this group, or I can select specific students and add the checked students to group. To do that, I will just click Add Checked Students to Group, and you'll see those students are now in my group on the right-hand side of the screen. This is the first way to create a group in EdInsight. Another way to create groups is through reports. If I click on Reports, and I want to take a look at the Virginia End of Course Reading Assessment. From here, I can choose District Building Student List, and then I will choose last year's testing year. And then my category, I'm going to choose End of Course Reading. I'll choose the appropriate school. I'll choose the appropriate grade, and then click Run Report. The report will pull up any student that took the assessment. It'll have their scaled score and their performance level, and then also each of the reporting categories. From this point, I can choose either all students, adding all students to the group, or I can choose specific students and then add those students to a group. Once that's clicked, I have the options to add students to a current group, or I can create a new group just for these selected students. Hope this helps you understand a way to create a group based off a report in EdInsight.